Look at you go! Oh my goodness. Hey, stay out of the road, dude. My kids have gone to bed, thank goodness. And I am just gonna clean up for dinner. I don't clean up right after dinner, obviously. I leave it. And I just spend some good time with the kids. The kids do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and the two older ones have class a little bit longer than the baby. And so I went to get him, and he was folding up his gi the way that I do, wrapping his belt around it. It was so cute. And then I got caught watching him, and he stopped. Y'all, we went axe throwing. It was so much fun. We took our whole family. That's my cousin Shannon and her husband. Earlier you saw my mom. Ross and I may or may not have gotten a little bit competitive. You're videoing. I told the boys to bring all of their dirty clothes downstairs and to start separating all of the toys that they wanted to keep from the ones that were broken or missing pieces, and then the ones that we thought maybe we could donate because we have so much stuff. I walked upstairs to this absolute chaos. Oh my gosh. I really don't even know what to say about this.
Mommy, that's all the stuff I'm keeping.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
This is our 10-year-old's version of a clean room. Y'all, please tell me I am not alone in this struggle and that your kids clean like this too. We're making progress.
Hey!
We've already taken one big bag down for donations. That's one of the trash bags. I don't know why I have so many baskets of random stuff. And all of the Legos. So many Legos. And the Nerf guns that we're keeping. Oh, look, life is here. I am at the hospital. It's a super long day, so I've got coffee, I've got green tea, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hello, friends. This 12-hour stuff, it's something else. It's something to get used to. My wonderful daddy has been at home with my babies. He got them off the bus, and they have eaten, but apparently they are still hungry. Imagine that. The kids are hungry. So I am now at the Old Faithful Standby Chick-fil-A. Let me see if I can turn this around. Ooh, hello. Oh, I guess I can't do that while I'm filming. Interesting. Okay, well, I am at Chick-fil-A. I'm going to go home, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. And here we are. It is 9 p.m., I believe. Almost. Kids are in bed, dogs are asleep, and I am studying and doing horribly on these question trainers. Not loving them. Is this a bad way to remediate? Oh gosh. It is now 11 o'clock. I am watching Men in Black 3. Who even knew there was such a thing? Oh wait, it's really bright. Hold on. Oscar has been grumping at me for the last 30 minutes to go to sleep, and finally got ticked off and got on his couch and is glaring at me like side-eye style because I will not do what he wants me to. Hey guys, all right, it's the next day. I was up until a little after 1. I finished my question trainers, and then I had to clean and, you know, do the mom thing before I got to go to bed. So now I am up. I am on my way to one of our other campuses. We are doing this giant Kaplan review for the next 3 days. It's Tuesday today, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's 9 to 4 every day. It may be super, super boring, and it may make me want to learn how to count backwards from 100 in Russian. I'm not sure. Or it may be really great and we may get a lot of info. I'm not sure. But at least I get to see my friends and we'll have lunch, and hopefully it'll be a really great day and get some good info. So I will see y'all later. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. That was hours and hours of questions and trying to figure out what a decision tree is and Maslow, and oh my gosh, I think my brain is fried. I don't know how I'm gonna make it through 2 more days of that. But tomorrow we're bringing snacks, so we'll have donuts and cookies and, Lord help us, hopefully some energy and ability to pay attention. So on the plus side, I did figure out a little bit of how to answer these questions, so I'm going to go home and see if it helps at all. I'm going to go home and grab the kids, and we are going to Jits tonight, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye! It has just occurred to me how much time I spend in the car. I am waiting for Shady Baby to get out of Jits. The older two stay for leadership, and then Shady and I are going to run over to Aldi really, really quick. I used to go in, and then I stopped going in, and then I started going in again while they're at practice, but they don't pay attention if I'm in there. They like come talk to me or they wave or whatever, so it's better for me to sit in the car, and generally I'm studying or doing homework anyway, so it actually works out really, really well. But I will let you know if we get anything fun at Aldi. We're just grabbing a little bit of stuff. I recently discovered that I can drink coffee again, so I'm getting those. And Aldi has these little single-serve coffee makers on sale for $25. So I'm totally getting some of that. And Killian is in the cart because he didn't wear shoes to Jits. So, you know.
Mom, can we get some of those like Cocoa Puffs, please?
Yeah, we'll get some Cocoa Puffs. So now he's going to help me pick out cereal.
Or cinnamon toast crunch.
And I hopefully can get out of here with only buying 2 boxes of cereal tonight.
You right today?
It's okay. Sometimes my brain doesn't work right, and that's okay. Today is one of those days. So we have roasted potatoes, roasted apricot chicken, and lemony buttery broccoli. Let's see how much of that actually gets eaten with my kids. And we have the little forager who thinks he's getting something, but he's getting nothing.
Morning, guys. Okay, so we are taking snacks today for this thing that we're doing. So I'm making this really cool breakfast thing with sausage and crescent rolls and cream cheese. I'm going to pop it in the oven. It only takes about 15 minutes to make the whole thing. It tastes delicious. Cut it up and hit the road. Look, they know. They're like, she's doing something. What are you gonna make, Mommy? Oscar.
Think about is if this person needs a clean room, just a regular room, semi-private, or if they need a private room. Now,
All right. Back in. No. Y'all, it's killing me. This Kaplan and chaos is killing me. Like, it's mind-numbing. We have answered questions and answered questions and answered questions, and holy crap, I'm so happy it is over for today. I know it sounds like I'm complaining, but holy crap. Have you ever just sat in this room and been so like trying to focus but you can't for the life of you? That's been my last 2 days. One more tomorrow. One more. Afternoon coffee. Homework for the boys. Math, spelling. Letty.
And Letty's happy we're home.
Hey guys, just left Dollar Tree, doing the crazy Wednesday night circus of 2 at Jits, 1 at soccer, back and forth. They both start at the same time, they both end at the same time, but while they're there, I got to run to Dollar Tree really quick. Just got a couple of things I might show you guys in a little bit when I get home, or maybe I'll do a haul. I don't know, not big enough for a haul. Anyway, just updating.
You see she's deformed anyway, her feet are fused together, she's got 3 toes on the rear.
Well, she's underweight on it even.
Anybody that knows me will tell you I'm absolutely addicted to my Happy Planner and my stickers. So I thought I would just give you guys a little preview of my week. This is for next week, obviously, the 11th through the 17th. And this is before the pin, so I'll go in and write in all of my fun activities that I have to do. But I did green and gold for St. Patrick's Day. Isn't it cute? I love it. Just had a couple of things delivered from Shipt. We got some dog food. We got some more bananas, some more Gatorade. I actually got a rotisserie chicken, which is what I'm gonna give the boys for lunch. Super plain, easy. And toilet paper, just a couple of things that I had planned on getting this evening anyway. But you know, life throws you curves and you adjust. So thank goodness for Shipt, right? Sick baby lunches, plain chicken and applesauce. We've already had some toast. We've got Gatorade. All right guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. It's been Thursday to Thursday. I'm gonna get the kids fed and then get them taken care of, hopefully in bed, and then get some cleaning done. I need to disinfect the house now that they've been sick. So thank you for watching. If y'all like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks, bye.